Hey viewers, lately we have done a video on how to remove ChromeOS and get back to Windows using Rufus. We have gained a lot of comments asking us how to get back to Windows without Rufus. You can check that video by clicking the I button from top. If you like this video and want to watch more such, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start by searching for Ventoy, which is an open source tool for creating bootable USB drive. Go to Downloads and click the Ventoy ISO file. From the latest GitHub release, download the Ventoy ISO file. While that is downloading, search for Windows 10, and download the multi-edition 64-bit. Select Edition. Select Product Language. Click on 64-bit download. Now search for Chrome Web Store. From Web Store, search Chromebook Recovery Utility. Add the extension to Chrome. Once that is completed, go to Files and zip the Ventoy ISO file. Go to Chromebook Recovery Utility, and click on Get Started. From the Settings icon, choose to use the local image, and select the zipped Ventoy ISO file. Insert your USB drive. Select your USB drive, and continue by creating a recovery image. Shut down ChromeOS, and go to the Boot menu. And from Boot Manager select USB option. From the GUI, select Ventoy GUI. Select the language to your desired settings, and device to USB, and click on Install. All the files inside the USB will be now formatted. Now, Ventoy has been successfully installed to your device. Now your system will restart. Now, open Files. Copy the Windows 10 ISO file and paste it inside the Ventoy folder that is created inside the USB drive. After pasting the ISO file, close the tabs, and shut down the system. Go to the Boot menu. From the Boot Manager select the USB device. From the Ventoy Boot menu, select the Windows 10 ISO file. From the Windows Setup, select the desired language. Click Next and Install Now. If you get an error related to the USB driver, shut down the system. If not, force shutdown by pressing the power button for a few seconds. Now switch the USB port, as shown in the video, and repeat the earlier steps from boot menu. From the Windows Setup, select the desired language. Click Next, and Install Now. Click on I don't have a product key. From the operating system, choose Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, and click Next. Accept all the terms, and click Next. Choose Custom Install Windows Only, and click Next. Here we will have to delete all the partitions. Instead of deleting each, let's delete all the partitions at one go by pressing Shift F10. Enter the command disk part. List disk. We have selected disk 0, since our hard disk is in disk 0. Type clean, and press enter. Go back, click Install Windows. Select the unallocated space, and create a new partition. Select the primary partition type, and click Next. After the installation, your system will restart. Follow the steps as shown in the video for the complete Windows 10 setup. We appreciate you for watching the video. If any doubts regarding the video, do drop a comment, and also subscribe to the channel.